Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me beside God's waters. No, he leads me beside God's waters. He restores my soul.
No, he restores my soul.
He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. He anointed mine head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and loving kindness will follow me all the days of my life. And I will live in the house of yours forever.
Good job!
Is that your camera?